Hello friends. In previous lectures we study groups, subgroups, cyclic groups and some properties. Now we are going to next chapter, permutations, quotients and direct products. Now in this lecture we are going to study permutation. Here A and B are any two non-empty subsets. Any two non-empty subset. Then A cross B is a Cartesian product and is equal to order pair AB such that A belongs to A, comma, B belongs to B. Now, any non-empty subset of A cross B, any non-empty subset of A cross B is called relation, is called from A to B, from A to B. Let me see here, if for example A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to AB, then A cross B containing 6 elements, 1 A, 1 B, like 2 A, comma 2 B and 3 A, 3 B, like this. Okay. Here any subset R is a subset of A cross B. R is equal to, if we take 1A, 2B and 3B, like this. Then this is relation from A to B, and it is here, if you take A, here B, 1, 2, 3, A and B. A is related, 1 is related to A, 2 is related to B, 3 is related to B. This is a relation. This is a relation from A to B. Now define function from relation. Define function from relation. Function. A relation from A to B is said to be function if every element of A is related to exactly one element of B. Here a relation from A to B is said to be function if every element of A is related to exactly one element of B. One element of B. Then this relation is called function. That means like this relation, here 1, 2, 3, here A, B, C, suppose here A, B. If A is related to like this is a relation. Here 1 is related to A, 2 is related to B, and 2 is related to C, 3 is related to C. This is a relation. This relation is not a function because 2 related to 2 elements of B. 2 related of 2 element of A is related to 2 elements of B and C. Here every element of A is related to exactly one element of B. Suppose like this. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. 1 goes to A, 3 goes to B, like this. This is also relation. This is also relation. Or suppose here A, here B, only 2 elements in B present. This is a relation. But this relation is also not a function. Here 2 is not related to any element of B. Here 2 is not related to any element of B, so it is not a function. So it is not a function. That means function like this. If A, here B, A, B are 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. Okay? If we take 1 related to here, 2 related to C, 3 related to B, then it is function. Then it is, this relation is a function. Like this, suppose 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. Okay? 1 related to B. Okay? 2 related to B. 3 related to C. This is also function. This is also function. Because every element of A, here B, related to exactly one element of B. 1 is related to only one element of B. 2 is related to only one element of B. 3 is related to only one element of C. Then it is a function. Now, from function, here permutation. Permutation. Permutation is a function. That means in this function, domain and codomain are same. Domain and codomain are same. And if it is 1, 1 and 2 on 2, then it is, this function is called permutation. A function from a set A to A is called permutation. If it is 1, 1 and on 2. If it is 1, 1 and on 2. Then it is called permutation. Then it is called permutation. Like this. Here, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here domain is A. Codomain is also A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose here 1 goes to 3, 2 goes to 4, 3 goes to 1, 4 goes to 2, like this. This function is 1, 1, 1, 1 function. Also on 2, because every element of codomain have pre-image. It is 1, 1 on 2, and so it is a permutation. So it is permutation. This, suppose it is sigma, denoted by sigma. Another permutation or another function 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1 goes to suppose 4, 2 goes to 2, 3 goes to 1, and 4 goes to 3, like this. This is a toe. This is toe. This function is toe. This function is sigma. That means these are this is permutation. This is also permutation. Now here product of permutations means function composition. Here product of permutation. Product of permutation means function composition. That means sigma into tau. This is equal to sigma of tau is equal to sigma of tau of x, like this. Here product means function composition. Product means function composition. X belongs to A. X belongs to A. Here sigma of tau of 1 is equal to, here image of 1 under tau, image of 1 under tau, that means sigma tau of 1 is equal to sigma, here tau of 1 is 4 and image of 4 under sigma is 2. That means image of 1 under sigma tau is 2. Image of 1, this is product. Now here this permutation, new notation here used in matrix form, that means changes column into rows and omitting these arrows. That means here sigma can be denoted by equal to this column convert into rows 1, 2, 3, 4 and this column also 3, 4, 1, 2, like this. This matrix notation. Here tau and omitting arrows, only convert these columns into rows 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4, 2, 1, 3. So now here product. Here sigma composition tau can be written. sigma composition row can be written. Here first write sigma 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, and then tau 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, like this. Okay. Take product from right to left here. From right to left here. 1, 2, 3, 4. First, right first row. Now see here. Image of 1 is 4. Then go here in this permutation. Image of 4 is 2. This is 2. Now see here. Take 2. Image of 2 is 2 under tau. Now here see, image of 2 is 4, right 4. See here, image of 3 is 1. Here image of 1 is 3. Image of 1 is 3. See here, 4, image of 4 is 3 and here image of 3 is 1. So product like this, computation from right to left. In some book, this computation may be like this, from left to right. But in this book, function composition defined f composition g is equal to of x is equal to denoted by like this, g of f of x. If any text composition defined this way, f composition g of x is equal to g composition f of x, then this multiplication may be from left to right. That means first see the image of 1 is equal to 1 under this sigma 1 3 and 3 here image of 3 is 1. That means 1 image of 1 is 1, like this. In this text here composition defined like this, sigma of tau of x, sigma of tau of x, sigma of tau of x is sigma in bracket tau of x. Then multiplication from right to left. If any book, any textbook or any reference book, if composition defined this way, then multiplication take from left to right. Take from left to right. Now see here, A, B, a non-empty set and let SA denote collection of all permutations, collection of all permutations on A, define on A, permutation of A, then SA is a group, then SA is group. under permutation multiplication. Permutation multiplication. Here permutation multiplication means function composition. Permutation multiplication means function composition. See here, sigma and tau belongs to SA. Sigma, that means sigma is a permutation, tau is a permutation. Sigma from A to A is 1 1 and onto. Since sigma is a permutation, sigma is a permutation. Tau from A to A is okay 1 1 onto, because since tau is a permutation, these are permutations, so these functions are 1 1 and onto. Now sigma tau is a function from A to A. Sigma is 1 1, tau is 1 1, therefore sigma tau is 1 1. Yes, tau is onto, sigma is onto, so sigma tau is onto is 1 1 and onto, and so sigma tau is a permutation. Sigma tau is again permutation. Sigma is a permutation, tau is a permutation. Composition, multiplication is permutation, and therefore this belongs to SA. This belongs to SA. That means closure property satisfied. Closure property satisfied. Function composition is always associative. Function composition is always associative. Function composition is always associative. Now, this identity function I of A is equal to A for all A belongs to A. Identity function is also permutation. Identity function is 1 1 onto, and so it is a permutation. Here sigma composition I of A is equal to sigma I of A, and I of A is A. This gives sigma of I is equal to sigma. Sigma composition I is sigma. Also I composition sigma is equal to sigma for all sigma belongs to SA. And so here identity exists. Identity exists. Now sigma is any permutation. Sigma is any permutation in SA. Sigma is 1 1 and onto. Sigma is 1 1 and onto. Therefore sigma is 1 1 onto. Sigma inverse exists. A function is 1 1 on 2, then F inverse Xg, sigma inverse Xg, sigma inverse from again A to A. It is also 1 1 on 2. Is also 1 1 on 2. And here sigma of A is equal to A dash. If sigma of A is equal to A dash, then sigma inverse A dash is equal to A. Sigma inverse A dash is equal to A, and sigma of sigma inverse A dash. Here sigma of sigma inverse A dash, sigma inverse A dash is A, and sigma of A is again A dash. That means sigma, and this is equal to I of A dash. Sigma of sigma inverse is identity. Sigma of sigma inverse is identity. And so inverse also exists, and this inverse is also permutation. Inverse function is also permutation. Inverse exists. That means here closure property satisfied in SA under permutation multiplication. Permutation multiplication means function composition is associative. Function composition is associative. Again, identity function is 1 1 on 2, so it is permutation, and identity exists. And if sigma is any permutation, then sigma inverse is also permutation, and sigma into sigma inverse is identity function. So sigma inverse exists. And so all conditions of group satisfied. So SA is a group. So SA is a group under permutation multiplication. SA is a group under permutation multiplication. Okay, we'll stop here. Thanks.